Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here to unbox the last box from Kozan.
Welcome, Lovelies. Well, I am so excited to open up this box and see what Kozan is bringing us for the last time in this season.
Yes.
In 2025.
It is the last delivery from Kozan. Line, beautiful line from Turkey.
Beautiful.
Made in Turkey. Love those European fabrics.
Love.
Speaking of European fabrics.
What? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
That's a distress.
I know. So
you know
beautiful.
what? You looked like $1 million at the wedding
Oh,
party.
I wore it to your wedding party. I have to
Oh.
show the ladies. I don't think I've shown
I have
them
a
a
nice
picture.
picture.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
a great picture of
Yeah,
you.
we'll show a few pictures here of me wearing it.
She looked stunning.
Oh, thank you.
You know,
So
you
too.
did. Yeah.
But yeah, people complimented me
They
all
did,
night.
eh?
Yeah, it was really
Yeah.
nice. And they said, you know, like, what a beautiful dress. And I knew as soon as I bought the collection last year, the gentleman, great guy from Montreal, who represents the line from...
Funky guy.
Yeah, this line is from Poland. Some
Right.
ladies in Poland designed this. But he called me and he said, do you want to buy the sample? Because it was like, I loved it so much. And I said, yes, please. So I got the sample. So I was so happy. So
Yeah.
I have it in my wardrobe.
What is the turtleneck? It's
So
not your own.
turtleneck, it's c'est moi.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful.
I know.
I know a lot of women buy.
Yeah, turtlenecks, all the
years.
colors. I
Yeah.
know, they're really nice. I
my
love it under.
goodness.
It's cozy.
The neck is okay for you?
It's okay for me. I know you've complained about it.
Yeah, well, you
I
don't
mind
have
it.
what I
but
have.
you can fold it down. You don't have what I have. I'm getting what you have. I said the other day, oh no, Ruby, look. It's starting. My turkey neck.
Not much you can do about it.
Yeah, I don't care. But look, you can fold it down too, Mom.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're
Really,
making me feel like I'm not self-conscious about it. But now I'm thinking, I'm like,
No, not at all. Not at all. No, but
I
the
like
fabric
feeling-
feels amazing.
It does.
It feels amazing, Tessa.
and how about this?
And look at that
Sparkle.
beauty.
Sparkle
Sparkle.
beauty. This is so
Gorgeous.
luxurious.
Yeah,
this
it's
is
gorgeous.
the new Ayala bar bracelet. And I thought over the black, how stunning
It's
that
got a
is.
few strands and beads, and it's so
It's so
interesting.
cool. And then earrings, Ayala bar.
Oh, yeah,
Also,
yeah,
just
yeah,
need
beautiful.
a nice, beautiful drop with these.
Love.
I
Okay.
wore my big black Ayala bars with the dress at Lousje's
At the wedding?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it was perfect. And you, lovely, in
Yes,
Bryn Walker.
Bryn Walker, and this is such an artsy outfit, I find.
I think so.
This is a painter shirt,
Yes.
I call it.
Yeah, from C'est Moi.
C'est moi,
Yeah.
small, medium, comes in 2 sizes.
Beautiful.
A really nice
cotton.
poplin,
Yeah, poplin.
great color.
Yeah.
And it's long and it's got nice sculpted slits and it's a little roomy and look, it's an
Beautiful.
oversized shirt. And then I paired it up with the Bryn Walker
Yeah.
duster
Love.
in this oriental print,
Yeah.
right?
It's like
Beautiful.
satiny, silky satiny.
Silky satiny.
Yeah.
And then the pants from Bryn Walker too, with the cuffs. Gorgeous.
And beautiful pants from Kozan that we
We have.
had a few weeks ago. So this box is going to complement that drop very much so.
well, let's get
Yeah,
to it.
let's get to it. All right. So let's see here. Some nice colors and nice prints. Okay.
Oh,
Some nice, look at,
that is beautiful.
yeah. So,
What a beautiful fabric, Tessa.
yeah.
Oh, it's a French terry.
Nice
So
and light.
100% cotton with
Yeah.
some lycra, of course.
Yeah, 5%
Oh, and
lycra.
it's short in the front and long in the back.
And
oh,
long
I
in the
really
back.
like that.
Yeah.
Really
And
like
beautiful, cozy,
that. Yeah,
yet looking, you know, classy and artsy
exactly.
and put together.
Very,
Chic.
very-
You can put that over anything.
Yeah, beautiful.
And could not resist this purple
Of
color.
course not.
I love purple.
Yeah.
So fabulous.
Yeah, you do.
Beautiful fall winter colors here.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, gorgeous top.
Nice turtleneck.
Yeah. So we will style these up for you ladies tomorrow, and we'll mix some items with the other Kozan that came in and then some pieces in the boutique.
Exactly.
Yeah. And then I couldn't resist the black. Sorry.
Of course.
You're welcome and sorry. I feel like there's a lot of women that do not like to wear black, and I get it. I've seen it. I'm like, no, there's no way. Like,
No.
you have to look good in black.
I know.
And then they put it on and it just,
Yeah.
and I'm like, whoa, okay.
Yeah.
I will not say that again because
Exactly.
I get it now.
Oh,
But
it's
there are a
true.
lot of women that love it. So, you know, it's hard.
It's a thing, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
beautiful. All right. So what else do we got in here? Oh yeah, here is another wicked top.
What?
Love this top.
Ooh.
It's called the derby top. This is
Ooh.
Island Mix.
I love
So-
the mixtures of fabric.
Yeah. So it's got the
Fabulous.
sleeves and the cuts in the front.
Oh, I love it.
And then look at the back, ladies. How cool is that?
I love that little sauciness.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
So that'll be great over a nice pair of pants. Also, ladies, like if you have a plain black dress, or you could pick up one of the colors in here, sleeveless, you know, even like I would wear that over my Grisa's linen black dress, my bubble dress.
Yeah, I would wear this over a tank dress.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
Definitely. There's
For
actually
sure.
a dress in here that you're going to love because it's going to be great for layering. Maybe I should pull it out and find it now. But this dress, the ladies, this is like the
What is
chameleon of all
that?
chameleons.
Oh
So,
my.
It's a double layered dress.
Oh,
The
love, love, love.
Outside is all mesh.
Yeah.
And then there is a light viscose stretchy fabric underneath. It's the liner. And then the bottom of it is super cool. So you can see the mesh peeking.
Oh, I love it, Tessa.
So you can wear this, you know, over it,
Yeah.
right? Layer
Yeah.
that over.
Yeah.
This is a great layering piece.
Great.
And then what's super cool is they had these leggings, which I
Oh
thought
my.
would be really awesome
Oh, and that is
to pair up.
this.
It's the same fabric as that. You can wear that over and then wear the leggings peeking out under.
Yeah.
Like, look at how subdued, like that would be so pretty, right? Just to see a little peekaboo there.
peekaboo.
And that's what we love. We love to bring these outfits to you ladies and just be like, here, just put that on and you're set,
Exactly.
right? So tomorrow we're going to show you, we're going to style this up, but these leggings will be fabulous as a little peekaboo under
What a beautiful pattern.
many items in your
For
wardrobe
sure.
already, or pieces like this.
Yeah.
This piece, actually, these leggings I could wear under this because I do have some room.
Yeah.
Then you have that nice peekaboo print.
I know.
Yeah, beautiful.
Just a little edgy thing, right?
Just edgy.
That we are after.
So let's see here. This is a beautiful top from Kozan. They do it every year. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Great.
Beautiful.
Oh, I can't wait to style
that up. So again, that can go over that dress, that mesh dress,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You could wear that over our tank dress.
Yeah.
You
Over
could-
the pants
over
that
the
they
A-line.
brought in.
A-line tank dress.
Yes.
And then we did it in this beautiful violet.
Oh, well, that's
I
a
love
good color
to show
for both
this.
of us, actually.
Yeah, like a little
Yeah.
strip in the back.
Yeah.
Look, Charlie's growling at me. Do you hear that, ladies? Because I'm sitting on his foot.
You're touching a piece of his fur.
I'm sitting on his foot and he's two beautiful toppers that you can pair up with many different things.
Many.
Oh my God, that'll be so much fun to play with in the
Oh,
boutique. Yeah,
look at all
you are
those
gonna
black
love
basics.
this. So this is a mesh little scoop,
Yeah.
and look at the sleeves.
Tessa,
know.
adore.
Cool, eh?
Adore, adore.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, man.
I should put it under this and
Yes.
hey, wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah, you need to do that.
Yeah.
So these sizes come extra small and XS?
So these are extra small to extra large.
Okay.
I do find also, sorry, there's more in here. I do find, because there's another scoop top here, that these guys are fitting a little snuggy. More snug than the mesh tops that we have in the crunch. Reason being, the fabric of the crunch fabric, it has more,
Yeah.
I don't know, when they're
Kiss.
cutting it, yeah, it comes
Yeah.
out a bit more. And these ones are a little more fitted. So
Right.
I would size up in those,
This is
unless you
nice.
want it
This is
nice
an-
and fitted for under.
An
This is
embossed.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
That'll be great.
Yeah. Very nice.
And then in that fabric, we have, this is the Dion, I think it's called. We had this we had this last year in another print. It's got this amazing cowl neck. It's a little bit floppy in this fabric, but amazing
Oh,
cowl
good.
neck. And then this zipper here.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
And then dolman sleeves. And it's just such a cute little topper. I couldn't resist this fabric,
Yes,
but this will go with everything. And like, it just got a nice stretch to it.
the Dion topper.
Yeah,
Yes.
beautiful.
Gorgeous.
And last but not least,
Oh,
I
something else.
love this piece. This is the Molly
yeah.
cardigan that they do every season in different fabrics. And we did it in this beautiful mesh with the crosses.
Yes,
or the
we
X's,
have
I should say.
This one already.
Yeah, so
Yes.
you can pair that up underneath
could.
with anything on the bottom.
Yeah.
Any of the, we could play with the Polo Trico skirts.
For sure.
My beautiful Greases silk
We have
skirt.
so many lovely things in this boutique.
But we'll style it up tomorrow
For
with the
sure.
Kozan that we have. Look at that. It's got such a great drape to it.
Yeah.
So watch out for that. We'll be here, me and Lousje. We're going to style these pieces up for you. We cannot wait. We're going to accessorize with our lovely pieces in the boutique. It's going to be awesome.
It's very easy to style because we've got so much to pull from.
Beautiful pieces.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun, lovelies.
Yeah, we love it.
So make sure you watch tomorrow.
Yep. And this week we have Anne-Marie dropping, which is very exciting as well.
Yeah.
That'll be amazing.
Yeah.
And we have our Friday favorites. See where we're gonna go on Friday.
Okay.
All right, ladies, please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And
as always, keep on smiling.